This poem is called Sounds of the Night. The night. The night is quiet. The night is solitude. The night is beautiful. The night is mesmerizing as I close my eyes or even sit with my eyes wide open. I listen to the music or the speaker on YouTube, simultaneously hear a vessel being kicked around on the road street by the street dog. I can't see the street dog, but I hear the vessel being pushed around. I open the door of my house at 11:30, 12 o'clock. I see and look out from my balcony. I see an indie dog which sleeps outside opposite our house, playing with the food bowl. A game. It fills my heart with joy. It fills me with happiness as I just watch that little dog play around with the bowl. And then as I just coming back, I see another sweet dog which I know, and she is just calmness. She's walking. And the night time sometimes can be a roller coaster of emotions. But today, looking at them, the dogs, the sounds of those dogs, the sounds of the night to night was calm. The sounds of the night to night was peaceful. But sometimes there are no sounds but the silences. The silences of the night was sometimes too vacant that I ran to my cat, Olive, picked him up, and danced. We danced a waltz that took me back to the song Stand By Me, which I used to think of as always between a lover and me. But now I know it's between me and my cat Olive, my cat Peachy, me and me, my inner self, me and my dog Duffy, me and my parents, me and my friends, me and everyone. So just love with the sounds of the night.